Jaja, who's this puppy next to you? Huh? Who's that little puppy? Hey, you want to say hi to her? Jaja, hi, honey. Hello, little girl. You want to play with the puppy? Yeah, yeah. This is the only poodle you've ever seen that's smaller than you, because you're only 2 pounds. Hey, Jaja. Hey, Jaja. Who's this puppy? This is 6 weeks old little girl. Hello, this is the little Sugar Lips little girl. Hello, baby. Hello, little mama. She says hi, everybody. Hi, look at my tail. It's always going. It's always going. Yeah, yeah. I only 1 pound 4 ounces because I got big hair. You'd never know. Yeah. And Jaja says, oh, let me have it. Yeah, give it up, puppy. Give it up, puppy. Yeah. Who's that? Hey, Jaja. Hey, Jaja. Oh, puppy, want to say hi to you. Jaja. Hey, Jaja. Jaja's 5 months old. Yes, you are. She says, I like that little puppy over there. She says, I like that little puppy over there. I want to play with that 6-week-old puppy. Yeah. She says, I want to play with that little puppy. Yeah. Hello. Wait a minute, my camera's gotta stay in focus. You're a little red puppy, yeah. Yes, you are. Hello, hello. And there's Jaja there. Hiya, Jaja. Oh, I just shaved your face so you got an itch. Hey, happy girl. Jaja, you're perfect, aren't you? Yes, you are. You got long legs, but you're still tiny. You're very tiny, Jaja. Oh, you're beautiful. No, I love you. Hello. She says, I look like my mommy. Yes, I do.